Okay, hello, here we are with the next topic, right? I get this request from one of my student, right? Acha, he's already in NLU and he's again preparing for CLAT, right? So he said, ki, sir, why not we should have a report session, ki jisme reports and indexes are included. Because there are several reports, several indexes on which there are lots of issues being created by media, by opposition, by government and by other stuff, right? So definitely a passage on any controversial stuff or any report or index can be asked, because there are several different incident, right, several different reports in which India, positive reports in which India is getting down or declining its rank, and there are several negative reports in which India is rising, right? For example, global livability index, for example, hunger index, for example, other stuff in which India is not performing well, even the rank is being going down. Okay, so now we are going to discuss what kind of question can be asked on a passage that is based on an index or on a report, right? And what you should be filtering, right? Because I guess what I have read in last one and a half hour when I was trying to find out the different type of reports and indexes, I find out 50 plus different reports and indexes and India's rank, right? We're not going to discuss all of them, right? We are not even going to discuss all of these which I have written over here. We are just going to discuss what kind of a question can be asked and what are the most talked reports, right? So let's start with what kind of question can be asked. Now, stick to one point. When it is a report and index, number one question, and it should be on your notes, who is the publisher of that particular index or report, right? Which organization, which institution, which group is publishing that report or index, right? That is a very important question, and you should have that on this. And second one can be asked, which country stands first or which country stands last, right? There are several things. For example, when we are talking about global terrorism index, right, then the last country which was stability index, which was the last country that was most unstable country, right, which was changed. That can be a good question. So number one and number last, right, both are equally important in terms of a question. Third thing you should remember, you should have on your notes, that was India's rank, right? Yes, definitely we are Indians, we are talking about India's scenario in global perception, so definitely India's rank matters. Next thing is related to this thing, whether it is India is improving or declining, right? That means if India, whether India is improving its performance, right, or it is now getting worse. This is important because several reports in this year have shown that kind of scenario in their publishing. Fifth, comparison with South Asia, right? Go ahead, I bet you, right? Find out any editorial in The Hindu, Indian Express, The Wire, or anything, right? If you're not getting, if you are getting a single passage that is not having comparison of India's performance in any report or index as compared to other South Asian nation, right? I'll give you a 1 5-star, right? Chocolate for sure if you find one passage, right? And the last thing, is there anything unique about that report? For example, if I'll tell you about the what should I say? Yes, Human Development Index, right? I guess this is one of the most talked report, right? For your kind of information, this was proposed by one Pakistani and one Indian economist, right? We are talking about Professor Amar Hussain and Dr. Mehboob Haq from Pakistan. Professor Amar Hussain, obviously Indian origin, right? And trust me, Dr. Mehboob Haq speaks very fluent English. Not like inshallah the boys played well, right? So they proposed Human Development Index, which becomes, I guess, the reference scenario for any country. It's a social and economical growth, right? So if any particular index or report is having something unique, that can be asked in terms of question, right? So again, I'm repeating, right? Who's the publisher, who's first or last, India's rank, India's improvement or declination, right? Comparison of India, right, with South Asian nation. And the last one, uniqueness of that report. Now we'll start with some reports which were mostly in news, right? And the media personals, the media, digital media or social media was talking about it. Even the unemployed memers were talking about that, right? So we should start with that. The first one is World Happiness Report, right? It is published by United Nations Sustainable Development Solution Network, UNSDSN, right? And the thing is, if I'll ask you, which was the first country which started, right, calculating its growth in terms of happiness, you should know the answer because it's our neighborhood, right? So this is unique about it. Now the third thing, the next report we are going to talk, and which was in news for so many weeks, that was Global Hunger Index, because India declined and India performed worst in South Asia. Even Bangladesh was above us, right? So Global Hunger Index published by International Food Policy Research Institute. We already discussed Human Development Index, which was published by UNDP, United Nations Development Program. Now some of controversial one, which is kind of a kind of biased one. I mean, think about it. International Religious Freedom Report, right? We are talking about the religious freedom, and the report is published by US State Department. What an irony. I mean, US is talking about religious freedom, right? Okay, the next one is World Press Freedom Report. This was very important, and from being my side, it was something which I read from almost 4 or 5 different newspaper websites, right? And this was published by Reporters Without Borders, right? This is French, I guess, English translation of their French version. I don't know French, so I have written in English. They mentioned that India's journalism and India's level of media, that is known as fourth pillar of democracy, is continuously day by day declining, right? If you are not agreeing with my point of view for this, for Indian media, go ahead, watch the reports based on the suicide case of former actor, late actor Sushant Singh Rajput. You'll get to know that. Now, when we are talking about these, just get one more thing. Democracy Index by Economist Intelligence Unit, right? This was also somewhere in news because India's rank is declining, right? They gave a reason for this CAA, Article 370 of Indian Constitution, and some other stuff, right? We'll discuss this, right? This is pending, huh? World Economic Outlook, right? International Monetary Fund. This is the best report about the economic outlook around the world, the growth and all the perception projection. Ease of Doing Business Index, World Bank, right? They provide the data how easy to do business on any country, inside any country. Global Competitiveness Index, definitely competition between market. Global Innovation Index, this is important, huh? Because Niti Aayog also started this sort of innovation index, huh? So don't miss that. This was proposed, this is published by World Intellectual Property Organization, right? Now, gender inequality and global gender gap. Yes, why I have written all the two of them, because there are certain reports which can confuse you, right? So don't get confused. There are two different reports. When we are talking about gender inequality index, we are talking about the report of United Nations Development Program. When we are talking about global gender gap index, we are talking about World Economic Forum, WEF report, right? They are different one. So if you are having notes of these things, make sure do not mix India's rank with them. Now, the last one is World Energy Outlook Report by International Energy Agency, right? This particular report summarize the fuel scenario, the energy scenario around the world. For example, they provided that the consumption of fossil fuel around the world is decreasing but increasing in Asian countries like India and China, and it will be on peak by 28. That means the energy consumption from fossil fuel will be on top by 2028, and after that it will start declining. That shows a scenario that world is somewhere bending toward the renewable energy sources, more green sources of energy, right? So definitely we are talking about 2019-20, which was full of international climate issue rising around the world. So definitely this type of report is also important. Again, last, I am repeating, publisher first class, India's rank improvement or declination, comparison in South Asian world, and uniqueness of that report, right? These are the point you should have. Definitely you should write down on your notes as we are talking about CLAT. But if we are talking about AILET, right, this and this is enough, right? Because they're not going to ask you a deeper question that India has improved or not. They are going to ask who's the publisher, what is the India's rank, who's the first rank, and all these things. AILET loves these type of question. Right? Why I'm somewhere raising the issue of AILET, because AILET is near, right? Correct. We are not discussing actually the AILET concern of current affairs, but we can definitely summarize it with the CLAT one, right? I hope you get it. And please, I'll provide some 50, nearby 50 different indexes, which is important for CLAT and AILET both, right? I'll put this on our Telegram channel. I'll make a document or I'll make a message kind of stuff, right? With these type of facts, including, okay, I'm not going to put India's rank, right? This is your duty. So that you should remember this. AILET would love to know this, right? So I hope you get it. Right, let's meet into next topic, right? Good, genius.